Hi and welcome, my name is Garrett Armstrong. I'm the marketing manager of Certum Solutions, and I'm here to fill you in on the behind the scenes, what it's like to work with the Certum team. Now, I began solely as a video editor. I was editing the tutorials, the guides, and creating the thumbnails for YouTube. Naturally, as I started out, I was nervous. It's a new job, I'm hoping I'm the right fit, but I very quickly learned that all the people behind the scenes at Certum are actually the most supportive and appreciative people I've ever gotten the chance to work with. So anytime I'm tackling a project, I always feel encouraged. I always know that I can turn to my team for any feedback or constructive criticism, assuming it is in their area. Now, while I did start out as a video editor, I've since then expanded to social media management, and then after that, marketing management. In the transition to these fields, my passion and experience has always felt prioritized. It's clear that this team wants me to excel at what I do best, and that's what I love. Support, motivation, and teamwork, I feel, are the three aspects that really drive this team to success. So if you're new, have thought about working with us, or maybe you're just curious about the behind-the-scenes atmosphere, I'm proud to say this is the greatest team I've ever gotten a chance to work with. The communication's great, the team's down to earth, it's encouraging, supportive, it's the best team I can really ask for. That'll wrap up this video. Again, this is Garrett Armstrong of Certum Solutions. I'm wishing you all the absolute best, and I hope you have a great day.